Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisioneer. Continuing with the 10 most expected questions, today we have the last chapter of the first term, that is rural development. I hope you have watched the previous videos also. And today I request all of you to subscribe this channel, motivate us, encourage us to keep on making these type of videos. So before we go for the questions, we have to see the CBSE syllabus of rural development कि हमें क्या cover करना है. What CBSE expects us to cover. They say we have to cover key issues regarding the rural development, rural areas. Then two main topic in this chapter are credit, rural credit and rural marketing. उसके साथ आपको rural cooperatives की बात भी करनी है, उसमें credit cooperatives भी आएंगे और marketing cooperatives भी आएंगे. इन दोनों का रोल बताना है आपको. And in the end, we have to cover agriculture diversification. So we are expecting 2-3 questions from diversification topic also. So coming to the first question, it says it is about credit. So institutional source of rural credit includes, yes, it includes cooperatives, regional rural banks, commercial banks और all of the above. तो ये तीनों जो ऊपर दिए हैं तीनों ही फॉर्मल सोर्स में आते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल सोर्स. द आंसर इज डी. Coming to question number 2, in India, more than 7 lakh SHGs had reportedly been credit linked. Such credit provisions are generally referred to as, इनको macro credit बोलते हैं. I don't think so. Micro, yes. Static, no. Dynamic, no. So we call them micro credit programs because ये छोटा credit, थोड़ा सा easy credit देते हैं और छोटे level का मतलब the amount is low. So the answer is micro. So coming to third question, the buffer stocks of wheat and rice in India are maintained by, of course, Food Corporation of India. They are not maintained by Food Security. It is not the organization. Public distribution system is a system and food chain is also nothing. So it is Food Corporation of India. Coming to the next question, example of an alternative marketing channel of Punjab. ये direct channel है पंजाब हरियाणा राजस्थान में एक ही नाम है इसका. The name is अपनी मंडी. Then we have Hadaspar Mandi, then we have Raitu Bazaar, Ujawar Sandhis of different areas. तो ये आपको याद करना है. Which of the following has the largest share in India's livestock? क्या इंडिया के livestock में सबसे बड़ा शेयर pigs का है? No. Sheep and goats का है? No. Poultry का है कि cattle and buffaloes का है? Many students will think it is cattle and buffaloes, but the answer is poultry. So मुर्गियों का और poultry का सबसे बड़ा शेयर है. Diversification helps in, ये किसमें help करता है? It helps in checking the food inflation. It helps in solving unemployment problems. It also helps in providing sustainable livelihood. So actually तीनों ही आंसर ठीक हैं. So answer is all of the above. Operation Flood, जिसको हम milk से link करते हैं. Of course everybody knows that. White Revolution is related to rice, water, wheat, milk. Yes, the answer is milk. Coming to question number 8, when was NABARD, National Agriculture Bank of Rural Area, Rural Development के लिए इसे कब सेटअप किया गया था? It was 1982. Coming to question number 9, it is a statement based question. The institutional credit is not exploitative in nature. Yes, the formal banks do not exploit. So the answer is true. The rate of interest of institutional credit is usually very high. No, it is usually nominal. So the statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Coming to the AR question for today, horticulture has improved the economic condition of many farmers and has become a means of livelihood for many your unprivileged or underprivileged classes. Yes, horticulture ने बहुत लोगों को help किया है कि वो अच्छा livelihood earn कर सकें. तो A is true. Coming to the second one, horticulture sector has failed to emerge as a successful sustainable livelihood option. This contradicts the assertion statement, so it is untrue. So answer is C. A is true but R is untrue or false. Coming to 2 extra questions, students. पहला मैं कहता हूं फिर से I request you to write the answer in the comment section so that we can also give you the right answer. Conventional agriculture relies heavily on chemical fertilizer, toxic pesticides, HYV seeds, or all of the above. Last extra question for you is MSP stands for minimum supply price, minimum sale price, minimum support price, or none. Teachers, we have EcoVisioner annual membership for you. You can buy this teacher's assistance program, which will be providing you all the study material throughout the year. And for an annual membership, or to buy this membership, you can contact the given number on the screen. And students, first of all, you should have this app, our app, on your mobile phone. We have uploaded many tests there for the first term now, and we'll be continuing with the second term. So if you want to attempt those questions, go and download the EcoVisioner app. To also buy any ebook, or you want to buy any physical copy, you can contact us on 9953682860. All the best for your exams. We'll be very soon coming up with political science and BST most expected questions. So stay tuned, subscribe this channel. God bless you. Take care. All the best for your exams.